When I left high school, I ended up back with one of my first loves, and we moved up to Colorado in 2001. He became physically and verbally abusive. I finally left him when he hit me with my own car. He ended up taking my kids away from me at a safe house. I mean, things got really bad really fast. But I ended up getting help from a government program, and they helped me find my confidence. They helped me gain computer skills. There was a teacher there that was amazing. She was able to realize our strengths individually and help build on that. Part of our PUCSTA scholarship here on campus, we have to do community service engagement. My engagement was to take computers that are not working, fix them, and then donate them to survivors of intimate partner violence. I want to teach computers to welfare recipients or survivors of domestic violence or those that are oppressed enough that they can't get computer skills so that they can at least go out in the workforce with confidence. The biggest advice would be not to give up. Things get hard. If you keep moving forward, you'll see that they get better.